Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and a quick backup, because a dying battery or lost data will derail repair. If the phone has some charge, connect it and wait 5 minutes. If possible, start an iCloud or computer backup now. Once done, force restart to clear temporary software hangs. On iPhone 8 and later press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears RAM and interrupts stuck processes, which often fixes the hang immediately. Once the device boots, focus on software causes, apps, and storage. You should check battery usage and recent installs to spot culprits, because a misbehaving app often monopolizes CPU or memory. Make sure to update iOS and your apps to patch bugs. Go to Settings General Software Update and the App Store for updates. If storage is low, offload or delete heavy apps to free space and reduce background activity. These steps stabilize the system and prevent repeated hangs. If hangs persist, escalate. First, reset settings to clear misconfigurations without erasing your data. This fixes many software conflicts. Make sure to back up before any deeper restore. If problems continue, perform a full factory restore via Finder or iTunes. Use DFU mode for the deepest reinstall, because it reloads firmware and system software. Finally, if even DFU restore fails, contact Apple support or an authorized service. It may be a hardware fault like failing storage or a logic board issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.